Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. You must be logged into SSO, meet the minimum level requirement, and have a free stable slot. Once done, equip basic tack so transfers are instant. Next, open your menu and check for event tokens, fragments, or quest items required to unlock the Rune-Runner. Gather the 501,000 gold needed for purchase or training, and make sure you have the required currency before moving on to the in-game location. You now focus on obtaining the rune components. Head to the designated event area or NPC that drops rune fragments. Start the required activities, usually a mix of mini-quests, races, or repeatable tasks, and aim to complete 3 to 5 of them to gather enough fragments. Once you have the pieces, open your inventory and combine or trade them at the NPC indicated. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts and use quick travel when available to speed up repeat runs. Finish by visiting the Unlock NPC or your stable to redeem the Rune-Runner with combined fragments and currency. Confirm the purchase, then equip the horse and complete any immediate bonding or short training tasks required to activate special abilities. If the horse doesn't appear, first check inventory filters and event timers, then relog to refresh server data. If that fails, verify you completed every required mini-quest and that you used the correct NPC. These are.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.